So today I have a Toyota Fortuner 2015. I'm going to make it all keys lost. As you can see, when I turn the security light still is on. So I'm going to make it all keys lost using Autel 608. Turn ignition off and remove the key. Set the key, turn ignition on. Turn ignition off and remove the key. Press OK. So security light is on now. Complete for 120 seconds. Please insert the master key. Turn ignition on and wait for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then turn ignition off. Then quick on 5 times. 3, 4, 5. See, security light is gone. That means program is success now. You can press OK. It. Now we can try. Security light is gone, so car is starting. Okay, now we are going to program the remote. So put the key. That's it. So let's done the programming remote and let's start the car. This is 2015 Toyota Fortuner. All keys lost. Thank you guys.